Abortion rights groups have been demonstrating across North Texas, including outside of Planned Parenthood in Plano and in downtown Dallas. They want the right to abortion to continue to be protected federally. Fox 4's David Santendry is in Dallas now with more. David.
Yeah, Heather, the U.S. Supreme Court's draft opinion on abortion is obviously a very emotional conversation for many people, not just here in North Texas, but across the country. Today, we are speaking with people on both sides of that conversation.
It's not just about access to abortion.
Supporters of abortion rights.
Everybody has access to reproductive health care.
Rallying in downtown Dallas.
We know that this was inevitable.
As the U.S. Supreme Court plans to strike down Roe v. Wade, according to a leaked draft majority opinion.
To have children or not to have children.
A Supreme Court reversal would allow each state to make its own abortion law.
But I do want to emphasize that as of today, abortion is still legal, right? But Texas does have a trigger law that's set to go into effect 30 days after any decision is formally released. So this could mean that in a couple of months, abortion at any stage in pregnancy will be completely criminalized in Texas.
Amy Arambidi is executive director of AVOW, a nonprofit advocating for abortion rights.
It wasn't a difficult decision for me. My abortion allowed me to choose the path that I was on. It enabled me to deal with the mental health issues I was facing at the time.
We've seen almost 50 years of abortion in this country wreak havoc on women.
Kylene Wright is president of the anti-abortion group Texans for Life Coalition.
A lot of women my age are waking up to realize that they aborted the only children they would ever have, and it is lonely and bitter.
Wright says they're working with legislators to increase funding for pregnancy centers, helping mothers go through with pregnancies.
The legislature increased the funding to help these pregnancy centers help moms and babies by doubling it last year. So the legislature is very aware that the tsunami is coming, and our lawmakers want to see Texas shine as well.
What do we do? Stand up, fight back!
We want people to be able to access any health care that they want and choose to have within their own community.
AVOW says 60,000 abortions are performed in Texas each year. Their stance, it's health care.
If people decide that that's the right choice for them, then they need to be able to do that and access the care they need.
And I have watched women be hurt and even destroyed by abortion all of these years.
Whichever side of the debate you stand, the conversation is not going away anytime soon. Some anti-abortion advocates say Texas's abortion law, which effectively stops abortions from happening after 6 weeks, has somewhat prepared for a possible U.S. Supreme Court decision in a way that it has allowed more funding and resources to go to mothers who are going to follow through with having a pregnancy. Heather, back to you.
All right, David, thank you.